Good evening, day traders, and you're watching the Daily Market Review with me, financial analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey. And our daily heading is dedicated, as traditional, to the technical analysis of forex majors. So let's start our review from the first pair. It will be intraday analysis of Euro and US dollar. So the uptrend momentum is showing signs of waning. Although Euro bulls will remain in control while projected support at 1.3232 holds. Keeping 1.3232 intact would maintain the supportive structure of the 2-week uptrend, and clearing intraday resistance at 1.3340 would bring the focus back to Tuesday's peak at 1.3385. Euro bulls needs to meet a wave equality target at 1.3415, preferably this week, in order to validate the bull wave from the March 15 reaction low at 1.3004. Weekly chart of Euro and US dollar trend is range. Intraday analysis of US dollar and Japanese yen. Support at 82.30 and 82.40 is expected to limit the corrective down wave from the Wednesday's lower high at 83.18. The broader tone remains US dollar positive. Let's see. And the rally from the Tuesday session low at 82.54 will look to retest the intra-wave lower high at 82.97. That defends the 83.18 lower high. Regaining ground above 83.18 would leave the 82.54 low as a double bear failure. Opening 83.39 and bringing last week's 84.10 and 84.18 highs into focus in the coming sessions. Only a sustained break below 82.30 would undermine the US dollar bullish outlook, exposing the March 23 reaction low at 81.97. Weekly chart of US dollar and Japanese yen trend is bullish. Next pair, intraday analysis of Great Britain pound and US dollar. The recovery of Wednesday's low and of Wednesday's low at 1.5841 will look to extend to the 1.5950 resistance area. The broader 2-week Great Britain pound bull wave has become damaged, although not critically, and a push above 1.5915 would restore some confidence in the uptrend, opening the week's 1.6001 high and upside targets at 1.6044 and 1.6126. Weakness below 1.5841 would concern Great Britain pound bulls, exposing 1.5802 and 1.5770. Weekly chart of Great Britain pound and US dollar trend is bullish. Next pair, intraday analysis of US dollar and Swiss franc. The recovery of Wednesday's marginal low at 0.9016 needs to force a break above projected resistance at 0.9118 in order to question the broader US dollar bearish outlook. While 0.9118 caps the structure of the 2-week US dollar bear wave will remain intact, and a push below 0.9016 would put US dollar bears back on track for the February 24 reaction low at 0.8931. A down wave equality target lies at 0.8921. Only a sustained break above 0.9118 would leave the tone, opening 0.9136 and the important March 22 lower high at 0.9179. Weekly chart of US dollar and Swiss franc trend is bearish. Okay, next pair and last pair for today will be Australian dollar and US dollar. So, the week's low at 1.0337 is on the verge of breaking, as the short-term Australian dollar downtrend creates scope for the more weakness. Thursday session weakness has pierced the 6-month bull trend line, and a sustained break below 1.0337 is expected to meet the downwave equality targets at 1.0258 and 1.0205 in the coming sessions. Congestive resistance between 1.0420 and 1.0447 limits the scope for corrective Australian dollar gains. Protective Tuesday's intra-wave lower high at 1.0560. Weekly chart of Australian dollar and US dollar trend is bearish. Yes, that's all, my dear traders, for today. It was me, financial analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey Lin. For more additional information, analytic information, you can visit our website. It's www.grandcapital.net, as you can see behind me. So, I wish you the fair trends and good luck and bye.